Hey, so welcome back to my channel, guys. It's your girl Helen of Troy here. Still February, still my birthday. If you guys haven't seen my TikToks, my reels, make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Helen of Troy with 3 underscores. You already know what the deal is. So I'm gonna be showing you guys a hairstyle today. We're not really vlogging because, you know, I'm always doing something to my hair. So why not show you guys this new hairstyle I'm gonna be trying today? Because last weekend I actually did a TikTok inspired, well, 90s themed hairstyle. And if you guys want to see me do that, let me know down below. But I'm gonna be wearing this dress that I showed you guys from Opali. This is her. Okay. And she's very velvety and long. Classy. So I'm gonna be doing my hair with you guys. And pretty much that's it. I'm not gonna be doing my makeup and stuff because you guys, I guess, are tired of seeing that. I don't want to keep boring you guys with the same content, but my hair is so long, like, oh, guys, I'm thinking of cutting it, but part of me is like, don't cut it, girl, don't cut it. But it grows back. And then my nails, I did the cat eye effect nails, and of course one of them gets lost. I make an extra, and then I guess the way I prepped my nails was like a pop-off method. So I'm going to be using these Kiss nails because, you know, Kiss came to the rescue. And these are the nails of the moment. So stay tuned while I get ready and see the finishing product. I'm probably going to show you guys the hairstyle. I don't know if I'm going to do my makeup first and then my hair, but I might do my makeup first then my hair. So I'm going to start getting ready and stop chit-chatting. Get back to you guys. Okay, so turn on the light for you guys. Have the dress on. I might take off this chain because it's supposed to be a little more like a choker, but I don't know if I'm gonna keep it on. Still don't know what accessories I'm gonna put on, but as far as the hair, this is what we're doing. I'm gonna use like a mini elastic to hold it, and I'm gonna play music, so it's gonna be voiceover. It's self-explanatory. It's just like an updo. This part is very self-explanatory. The whole hairstyle pretty much is like I've mentioned before. However, I feel like I could have did smaller sections, although I still love the turnout because I have a lot of hair, you know, which is a blessing. And basically just rolling it and tugging it to keep the circle or the little, you know, hair tight. Like if you're doing rollers, if you never did rollers before, it's the same movement. And then pin it with one bobby pin going one way and then the other going the other way, like crossing each other. And here just the finishing touches, brushing the hair, putting some spray, and then doing the curled front pieces with this like flat iron method that I'm still learning how to do, but as you can see, I'm just like, oh my gosh, like trying not to burn my hair off like that girl, and doing the same thing, pinning it up so it can remain and hold its shape. I'm putting in these little pearl looking bobby pins. Says I'm happy that I found these, and I got them on Amazon, and they went with like my necklace because it was giving like pearls. So super cute. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you thought of this video. Love you guys.
You expensive, you know that?
I'm high maintenance a little bit, but not in a